Did you know that our hands can show signs of aging faster than our faces? In fact, studies show that many people notice wrinkle and age spots on their hands before they even see them on their faces. Have you noticed your hands looking older? Let's dive into some anti-aging tips just for them. Hi everyone, I'm Ala Shapiro and this is the Spa Runner channel. Today we are focusing on a topic that often gets overlooked: hand and nail care. Just like our skin, our hands age too, and taking care of them is crucial for maintaining a youthful appearance. Let's uncover some essential anti-aging tips. So what causes our hands to show signs of aging? Firstly, dryness is a huge factor. Our hands are constantly exposed to the elements, and without proper hydration, they can become cracked and rough. Next, let's talk about sun exposure. Just like the skin on our face, our hands are susceptible to UV rays, which can lead to dark spots and premature aging. And let's not forget about nail care. Neglecting our nails can lead to brittleness and discoloration, adding to the overall aged look of our hands. So what can we do about it? Let's explore some effective solutions. Before we continue, I want to introduce you to the Nail Reserve products that you can use at home or bring with you to the salon. The reason I like this product line, because it is vegan with safe ingredients, cruelty-free, and the most beautiful and diverse colors. The gel colors last 2 to 3 weeks. They are easy to soak off at home with acetone, and they sell a mini LED lamp that is only $29. With the link that I will post in the description and comment, you can save 10% on the Nail Reserve products. Now let's go back to anti-aging of hands and how we can make sure our hands and nails look as beautiful and young as possible. When it comes to anti-aging, starting with moisturizing is key. Choose a rich hand cream that contains ingredients like hyaluronic acid or shea butter. Apply it multiple times a day, especially after washing your hands. My favorite hand creams are from Farmhouse Fresh. I actually just ran out. I have this soap at home. Like it very much. You can buy it on Amazon, or the Farmhouse creams you can purchase at any Woodhouse Day Spa. My favorite are Whoopie Cream, Fluffy Bunny, or Honey Chai Steep Milk. There are many different smells. They are all shea butter based, very rich and smell divine. Sun protection is also vital. Wearing sunscreen on your hands even in winter can protect against harmful UV rays. Consider using a broad spectrum SPF 30 or higher and reapplying regularly. We spoke about SPF for the face before, and you can watch that video here. So when you apply your SPF in the morning to your face, do not forget your hands. However, you do need to reapply often every time you wash your hands. My SPF of choice right now is SkinCeuticals Clear Daily Soothing UV Defense SPF 50. You can get it in any of the Woodhouse Day Spas. For more information on the Woodhouse Day Spas, go to montclair.woodhousespas.com for the Montclair location and Hoboken.woodhousespas.com for the Hoboken location. For nail care, regular manicures or at-home nail treatments can make a world of difference. Use a nail strengthener and always keep your nails trimmed and filed. Do not forget your cuticles. I love coconut cuticle oil from Nail Reserve. It is moisturizing and it smells great. And don't underestimate the power treatments. Consider investing in a hand mask or paraffin wax treatment to deeply nourish your hands. These treatments can rejuvenate your skin and make your hands feel soft and supple. At the Woodhouse Day Spas, we offer paraffin treatment on your hands, which you can add to any of your treatments. At home, I love to use To-Go Spa hands masks for once a week treatment. Do stop by any of our spas to purchase. They are collagen infused, provide deep hydration with effective results. And here's the golden nugget of advice. The most effective tip for maintaining youthful hands is to incorporate a high-quality retinol and a high-quality vitamin C. Retinol is proven to significantly improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of age spots. Trust me, using retinol for hands is a game changer. You do not need to purchase anything specific for your hands. Retinol you use for your face is also great for your hands. I currently use Dr. Baboa Pro Retinol, and every time I apply it on my face, I apply it on my hands. Same with vitamin C. We use vitamin C on our face every morning, and we're going to apply vitamin C on our hands. So to recap, you keep hands moisturized, protect them from the sun, care for your nails, and consider using retinol and vitamin C. Remember, your hands tell a story that deserves to be useful and vibrant. I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite hand care tips? Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my video on nail salon secrets to avoid serious infections next.